In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have one worksheet in a workbook display from right to left. So you can see I'm here in sheet 1. It is displaying from right to left with A1 in the top right corner. But as I go to sheet 2, it is going from left to right as well as sheet 3. Add a new sheet is going from left to right, whereas I go back to sheet 1, it's still displaying from right to left. So to do this, I'm going to open a new workbook, kind of show you how it's done. Go to File, all the way down to Options. From here, you're going to want to click on Advanced, which is in the middle, and scroll on down until you see Display Options for this workbook. And now, whenever you first open this, it will default to being the workbook that you're in, but you can also just adjust the display settings for any of the sheets in any of the workbooks that you're in. So as you can see, I have a few different Excel workbooks open right now, and I can select on any of these sheets that I have for them in right now. And here I can click on a box that says show sheet from right to left. And if I click on show sheet from right to left, then it will show the worksheet that I have selected right here, shows from right to left. So as you can see, now it's showing from right to left. And if I want to undo this, I can go back to File, Options, Advanced, go back to the same place where it says for display options for this worksheet, again, default to the sheet that I'm in right now, and then I can uncheck show sheet from right to left, and now it's showing from left to right. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.